if two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p is equal to ab² and q is equal to a³b, ab being prime numbers, then LCM of PQ is what? Now this is quite similar to the previous question. The only difference is there we had to find the HCF and here we have to find the LCM. And to find the LCM, we have again one rule that we need to remember and apply. So that is the key to solve this question. Let's do this. So let's understand the rule, the concept that will help us to find the solution of not only this but all other similar problems. The rule says that if we have to find the LCM of two numbers, let's say P and Q, then this is equal to product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So the LCM of any two numbers PQ means you have to find the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the number. So there are some key takeaways that will help us solve this question. The first is each. That means we have to consider all the prime factors whether they are present in both or not. If it is present in one number, we have to consider it. Second key point is they should be the prime factors. So if they are not in prime factor format, do it. And the third key point is we have to take the product of these numbers where we have the greatest power. So applying this in our question, we see that the first is each. Each means we have A here, we have B here, we have A here, we have B here. That means we have to take A as well as B. Had there been, let's say, C in P and D in Q, then we would have considered that C as well as D, irrespective of, although this was different in HCF. There we had to take the common ones only. Here, no common ones. In fact, each of the prime factors. Here in the question, it is already given that A and B are the prime numbers. That means we already have the prime number format. So we are also done with this. Next says the greatest power. So here in A, we have the power as 1 as nothing is written, while here in A, we have the power as 3. Now out of 1 and 3, which is the greatest? It is 3. So that we will pick up. Next, we have B. In B, we have the power as 2 here and 1 here as nothing is written. Out of these two powers, that is 2 and 1, which one is the greatest? We have 2 as the greatest. That means we are going to pick up this one. Now based on this, from P we take A and the greatest power, that is 3. Next number is B and its greatest power is 2. So we take 2 here, which means LCM of P and Q here is equal to a³ b², and that is our answer, which is the LCM. So you see how easy and simple it was. You just have to represent the given numbers in their prime factor format, pick up each prime factor from both the numbers and take the greatest power and multiply it. So that is why we have got here a³ into b². We have taken the product of first number, that is A, greatest power 3, then second number b and the greatest power 2, and so we got the result. You have to memorize this rule. Keep it in mind, and whenever you find such a question, use this rule to find the LCM of the given numbers, and you will be done in no time without any complexity. You don't have to get scared, just understand and read the problem before solving it. Spot out the factors, their greatest power, and just take the product of that and you are done. Believe me, StudyMare, not anymore.